I'm videoing. It's a whole video. Ooh. Ah. Video. Ah. Ooh. Video. Video. Video.
You know, I forgot how much fun it was to blow bubbles. And as a kid, it's just so much fun. And as a matter of fact, there were some kids at the park who loved it whenever I blew the bubbles their way. They would try to catch the bubbles before they popped. And as a matter of fact, I think that I had just as much fun as they did.
Yo, happy birthday. Okay. Hey, we're here at Tannehill State Park in Alabama. It's not far from Bessemer, Alabama. It is so beautiful out here, guys. Hey guys, live here from Tannehill State Park in Alabama. Here's one of our waterfalls that we saw. Can you guys see that? Let me see, let me turn you around. I still don't know if you can see it or not. But it's pretty and I love it, and I love it here. Shelby and David brought us here for mine and Wayne's birthday celebration, and it has been just what I needed. It seems like everything's normal again, like there's people around, but we're all doing our social distancing, and it's just been perfect. So.
this little general store there, and there was no such thing as social distancing because it was so small, but it was adorable, and we couldn't resist going in. Like I said, it was just like a normal day, an everyday normal day. It was perfect. Our next stop was the Holiday Inn Express in Pelham, Alabama. It was perfect. The beds were comfortable, the bathroom was clean, and I loved how they used the refillable bottles for the shampoo, conditioner, and body gel, body wash. Eco-friendly. Hey guys, we are here at the Holiday Inn Express in Pelham, Alabama. And yeah, there goes a doggy. Anyway, this is our view. Not half bad. So anyway, you can't see it, but there's like a creek over there, and there is the parking lot. Let's see where the dog's going. That's the parking lot to the Oak Mountain Amphitheater. So anyway, it's a pretty view. I love it. The trees blowing in the wind, so pretty. We got a nice view here. And now we're on our way to see my sister and brother-in-law's new house. Hi! This is Jake, Joe, and John's new swing set. This is Mindy and Jeremy's new house. It's very nice. I can't see. It's a beautiful day. It's very windy. And we got Dude doing what the dude does. Jeremy was very sweet. He grilled out for us, grilled hot dogs, hamburgers, brats, and he also made homemade from scratch a chocolate cake with homemade icing. It was so delicious. You didn't even recognize your own brother?
No, I did, but like it just
the elusive Mindy.
Yeah, it looks weird. You got a black spot right here.
Their new kitchen.
Because we just now got a sleep schedule back.
Yeah, we've been having to take Z-Quilt in order to fall asleep and stuff.
It knocks her right out. It doesn't even phase.
So we got a Joe doing what a Joe usually does.
It's not our actual fruit bowl. He will eat.
So this is their kitchen.
He would eat like 5 bananas.
Not gonna show you their bedrooms, but I will show you the front of the house. They live on a nice cul-de-sac. I'm very proud of them. Very, very proud. I have no idea what you guys can see right now. There's the newspaper. Okay. So here is a picture of their front yard. It's very pretty, very nice. Very proud of you, Mindy and Jeremy. You guys have done a great job. Love y'all. Okay, this concludes the video. I just want to say thank you to David and Shelby and Jeremy and Mindy and the nephews for making this one of the best birthdays for Wayne and myself. We have had a complete blast this weekend. We love y'all and cannot wait to see you guys again. Many blessings.